Have you heard of ChatGPT? It's a new technology that's revolutionizing the way we interact with computers and artificial intelligence. In this video, we'll take a closer look at what ChatGPT is and how it can impact modern technology. ChatGPT is a natural language processing technology that uses deep learning algorithms to simulate human-like conversation. It's a language model developed by OpenAI and is based on the GPT architecture. ChatGPT is designed to understand natural language and can respond to a wide range of queries and prompts. The benefits of ChatGPT are numerous. It can improve efficiency by automating customer service, simplifying information retrieval, and enhancing decision-making processes. It can also reduce costs by replacing human labor in various industries. Additionally, ChatGPT has the potential to revolutionize education by providing personalized tutoring and feedback to students. The future of ChatGPT is exciting. As the technology continues to advance, we can expect to see ChatGPT being integrated into more industries and applications. ChatGPT can help us create more intelligent chatbots, improve voice assistants, and develop more human-like interactions with technology. In conclusion, ChatGPT is a groundbreaking technology that's changing the way we interact with computers and artificial intelligence. With its potential to improve efficiency, reduce costs, and revolutionize education, ChatGPT is poised to make a big impact on modern technology. So, what are you waiting for? Give it a try and see how ChatGPT can improve your life and work.